Looking for a printer with a compact design, convenient portability, and quality results? Have it all with Brady's new Wraptor A6200 wrap printer applicator. Let's get to know it a little bit better. To load your consumables, go to the main screen and press Load Supply. Follow the on-screen instructions. First, open the printer top cover. Next, open the wrapper module, then follow the pictogram. Unlatch the peeler door. Now you're ready to load the consumable. Load the consumable, aligning the smart cell to the right side of the printer. Then feed the liner through the left side, just next to the peel plate. Then sliding to the right and into the peel plate. Make sure there are no labels on the liner that advance beyond the peel plate. Pull the liner out 3 to 4 inches and make sure you have a clean leading edge that isn't bent. Then feed the liner back between the 2 rollers and in front of the yellow chute until you feel it stop. From there, close the peeler door and turn the knob on the right to take up the excess slack. You know you have successfully loaded the liner when you see the liner advance past the slot below. Close the printer cover. Leave the wrapper module open and return to the home screen instructions. Press Feed Supply until you get 1 label. Remove the first label and discard. Press Done and close the wrapper module. Now your consumables are ready to be loaded into the rewinder. To load your used liner into the rewinder accessory, open the rewinder door. There's a graphic with steps to follow if needed. Make sure the yellow knob on the left side of the spool is fully closed. Open the yellow clamp. Bend liner around and slide into a clamped position until you hear a click. Then manually spin the excess liner. Close the rewinder door and you're ready to print. To unload your consumables, first tear the excess liner at the tear bar. Then open the wrapper module by pressing the release button. Release the peeler door with the yellow button. Then open the printer cover. From here, pick up the consumable, pulling it through to back feed the used liner. Do not cut off the portion of the liner without labels. Wrap excess liner around the old roll for future use. If you have the optional rewinder accessory, open the rewinder door to unload the consumable. Pull the spindle to release any used liner, slide out excess liner and discard, then close the spindle and rewinder door. To replace a ribbon, first unload the old ribbon by pressing Load Supply and then Load Ribbon. Open the printer cover. Next, grab the 2 tabs on the side of the old ribbon, pull and remove. After, grab your new ribbon. Align the smart cell to the left side of the printer. Snap the ribbon into place. From here, close the printer door and press Done. See what else is possible with the Wraptor A6200 Wrap Printer Applicator today.